Today we are visiting Biarritz, a city in the southwest of France, located on the Atlantic coast. Biarritz used to be a modest fishing village where people earn their living, for example, by hunting whales. At some point, the fortune changed when the whales migrated to the North American coast, and people needed to find a way to earn their living. At some point, people realized that they live on the amazing coast, and it would be great to swim here in the sea. For example, Napoleon Bonaparte provided example for other people to follow. Of course, Biarritz gets a lot of competition from Côte d'Azur, another very popular beach destination in France. However, because it's very different, it has great nature, and because it's Atlantic coast, people do keep coming here and enjoy its charm. In the late 19th century, different Napoleon III, built a hotel for Imperatrice Eugenia to stay on the coast, and she actually spent a lot of her time here. And after that, many rich and famous people followed.
The sea is very rough here, so people needed to find a way to protect the boats from being destroyed. So what they did, they built the walls which protect the boats, and the boats can escape during the high tide by following the openings in the walls.
After the extension of the railway from Paris to Biarritz, the place also became very popular, and tourists keep visiting the place up to today. In 1957, American director was shooting a film here, and he was visited by his friend, who decided to practice surfing here, and it was recognized as the first time the surfing was ever practiced here in Europe. And after that, Biarritz became a very popular surfing hotspot in Europe.
have time, we also highly recommend visiting Asiatica Museum in Biarritz. It actually has one of the largest collection of Asian art in the whole of France. They have collection, for example, from India, China, Tibet, Nepal, and you can easily spend half a day there.